Good afternoon, folks. So what I want to talk about here is this Noodlers ink. Overall, it's pretty good. It's not bad. But what I noticed was when the bottle sits for a little while and then you fill up your pen, get out of the way. I want to focus on here. So when you start writing, what I noticed was it looks kind of gray. Maybe not from this angle, so let's quickly adjust. Alright, so here we are. So as you notice, when you write, it's dark, but it's not deep, it's not black. You can see there's some darker spots when the ink is a little bit more wet. And then if you just kind of do this, it's kind of grayish. Now, in comparison, of course, another pen here, this is going to be the carbon black. It's a little bit more finer, but it's noticeably darker. As a matter of fact, it's about as dark as it can get. So what I noticed was when you take this ink and you open it up, it kind of looked gray in there. So what I did was I closed my lid, just kind of shook it, nothing too crazy. And you actually want to keep that closed for a few seconds because all the bubbles are popping in there. You don't want to get it all over the place. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and we will clean out the pen. So we will actually go ahead and take this, empty it back into here. That will. And if you guys don't already know, it's pretty simple. You just simply spin the converter and it pushes it back out. So we're going to go ahead and wash this out real quick just to make sure it's completely, well, actually there's no reason to wash it out. It's not dirty. So we'll just go ahead and stir that up since we just added that right back in there. But let's go ahead and let's get a better angle on this real quick. Alright, I think that's a better angle. So we'll just go ahead and submerge it like we normally would. Nice and full. Kind of dab off a little bit there. That is nice and clean. So I'll just go ahead and wipe out these little blobs too, just so we don't get into them. I like to keep those hands clean. Alright, so let's go ahead and zoom in here. See if we can get this color to come through. First we have to, of course, put some streaks in there because it's still got that old ink. So let me just change the angle once again. Well, we're already noticeably darker. So just keep going for a little bit. Alright, so let's go ahead back to the test here. So you see it's noticeably different. So I definitely recommend shaking up the bottle if you let it sit for a little while. Come on now, there we go. Otherwise, I mean, it's a great ink. It takes, you know, several seconds and it's dry. I wouldn't say it's instant. Now, compared to the carbon black, it's a little bit more faster, I believe. But then again, it's much finer, so you're getting a lot less. Compared to this, it does come in a little thicker. So I still think that the carbon black is a deeper, noticeably deeper black. So just for reference there. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any other questions or concerns or ideas for another video, let me know. And let me just show you the other carbon black.